CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 28th of June 2025. Rahman Yazdani said that the Iranian government has long-standing differences with Christianity and Judaism, which has led to systematic attacks on members of both religions in Iran. Rahman has also recently been released from prison on bail, and is again facing threats that he will be attacked for being a Christian. Anwarkenneth, a 72-year-old Pakistani Christian, had been serving a 23-year prison sentence for blasphemy. He was honorably acquitted of all charges by the Supreme Court of Pakistan. He was charged in July 2001 with severing his high-ranking government job, and his mental health is not good due to mistreatment in prison. Umesh, a Christian in Bangladesh, said that officers are pressuring him to convert to Islam. Some time ago, they had a religious argument, after which Umesh is also receiving death threats and facing serious consequences if he converts to Islam. Lawrence Zazingo said that his field in Nigeria had a crop and was to be harvested 15 days later. Islamic extremists took over the field. When he went to work in the field, they attacked him in such a way that his legs were broken for days. He is now in the hospital. Zinat says that partial slavery is common in Syria. She is a Christian and lives in poverty. She had to pay a tax to live in the area. She started partial slavery to a Muslim man and her tax was waived, but now she is being harassed. The civil war in Burkina Faso has made the country the most dangerous. Samin Abiola says that he was kidnapped along with many Christians and taken to war. He was imprisoned, starved, and injured. No one came to rescue him. Karashani says that in Tanzania, there is a ban on talking about the gospel and its preaching. Evangelists are arrested, kidnapped, and killed. But despite all these difficulties, Christians have hope. Yassin told in Iraq that his brother used to go on attacks with Islamic extremists. He told him that we are Christians and we have no order to sacrifice people's lives. Then Yassin was attacked and accused of insulting religion. He still cannot live freely. Another Christian child lost his life in Indonesia. His son, Kailash, went to school, but because of his religion, Muslim children make fun of him and order him to convert to Islam. He had to refuse repeatedly. A fight broke out and Kailash was killed. Mayaban told from Congo that he had only harvested a few days ago, and a stock of lentils came to him. Boko Haram filled some in their car and set the rest on fire. Christians' areas are being attacked and they are being harmed. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.